Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a soft cut crease for you guys with this faded wing liner. I've been trying to focus on a few really wearable looks for you guys because I know I've been doing a lot of color and a lot of intricate work. So if you guys are interested in how to create this look, please keep watching. So my eyelids are already primed and set. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with NATASHA Denona's Gold palette. I'm going to start by going into my crease with Teak. And I'm going to grab some of that on my JH36 brush. And I'm going to be bringing the shadow out in a wing in my crease, like a wing in my crease basically. Next, I'm going to go in with Log. And I'm using my JH37 brush for this. Go back in with that Teak to blend out any lines. So next I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Overachiever concealer in Granola. And I chose this color because it's close to my skin tone, so I don't want my eyelid to be brighter. And I'm going to go in and cut my crease. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush for this. And you're going to go down and out in a wing. If you have troubles getting the outer corner, just go in with the eyeliner brush and pick up some of that concealer. So just like that, I want it to be a really light cut crease. And I'm just fading it into the center. I'm not doing a harsh cut crease in the middle. Just kind of fade that out. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with the translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to go in with Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. So now I'm going to go in with a brown kohl liner, and this is by Tarte. It's the Tarteist Double Take Liner. And I'm going to take this small eyeliner brush. This is just from the craft store. I'm going to go in with that brown and just smudge a little bit on the outer corner of my lash line like that. Taking the eyeliner brush, I'm just going to wing it out. I don't want it to be too precise. So now I'm going to go with this little smudger brush, and this is the JH42. Pick up some of that Log. And just kind of smudge this liner out. I'm also going to go into some of that Teak and blend that out above Log. And keep alternating between Teak and Log. And then taking that flat concealer brush, you're going to pick up a little bit more of that concealer, and you're just going to draw a line just to straighten the eyeliner out. Just like that. So now I'm just going to go in with some shadow under my eye, and first I'm going to take some Teak. And this this is on my JH39 pencil brush. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Vlog and just smudge it right on my lash line, but only going 3/4 of the way. And then take a little bit more of Teak and just blend that out. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with a bit of Sparks. It's actually kind of like a gold glitter, So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Lilly Lashes, and this is in Goddess. Okay, so next for blush, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Bronze Sands, and I'm going to go in with Bora Bora on my Sigma F15 brush. So for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced's Lovelight You Light Up My Life. I had to repot it because it broke on the floor and I just put it in this little tub, but it's a really pretty gold. And I'm going to take this on my JH06 brush. I'm also going to highlight my nose with this using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. In the bridge. My Cupid's bow. Quickly before the lips, I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Lancome's Monsieur Big. So I'm going to line my lips with Whirl by MAC, and I'm going to go in with ColourPop's Lippie Stix in Parker. And then filling it in. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And as always, please let me know your guys' thoughts on this look. If you guys have any questions or requests, leave them below in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.